So just like that, this gem's for sale. If you haven't kept up with my series, we did a lot to this car. It was light damage. It went off-road. There is a lot of mud and dirt underneath. I had to rebolt the heat shield up. I had to put all new emergency brakes in the back because all that stuff was gone. It wasn't even in the car. So we did that. Brand new front brakes and rotors. Brand new rotors in the back. The pads are like new in the back, so we did not replace those. New headlights, new bumper, the fiberglass bumper. If I could do it again, I would not get a fiberglass bumper. This is the original fender. This is the original fender. I did a little bit of body work over here, and back there were some scrapes, and it looks really good. This door is another door. The side skirts are new. They're Evo style side skirts, just like the bumper. As you can see, we sanded and painted the wheels with Duplicolor wheel paint. The calipers are done with Duplicolor. So you can also see those new rotors in the back. We put a wing on it, wrapped it with carbon fiber. Look at that. It has winter treads the whole way around. The car is an automatic CVT transmission, but this car is all-wheel drive, just like an Evo, but it's not turbo. This is the 2.4 liter. It has 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and 4-wheel lock, but the car runs and drives wonderful. Only thing left for me to do is get an alignment, which is going to be done before I sell it. The car itself has 97,000 miles, just over 97,000 miles on it. Thing runs great, 4-wheel drive works, everything works on the thing. We do have one more issue, and I already have it on order. It needs a new catalytic converter. I ordered a direct fit one with a 5-year warranty, so it's on its way. So hit me up on the face space, send me a message on Messenger. Let me know if you're interested. Come out and look at it, please. It's a very nice car, and I think you'll like it.